Hi guys, and welcome to another video. This video here is a part of a series about the sine and cosine rule. I've got a few videos up already just regarding just the intro of sine rule and stuff like that. So if you're interested in those, go check those out. But otherwise, this is just a basic example of when to use the sine and cosine rule. Alright? So the first thing I want to write down is the fact that I'm either using the sine rule and the cosine rule. And I know that because it's not a right angle triangle, because I've obviously got I got this 100 degrees here. All right, so my sine rule, if you recall, is something like this. And we've also got our cosine rule here. There we go. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually substitute in what I know, but which one am I going to substitute it into? Am I going to substitute it into my sine rule or my cosine? I did indicate in my other videos that the sine rule is best used when you have a pair of things or a pair of angles and sides, and then the cosine rule is usually best when you have three sides and one angle. Okay, so the sine rule, we can always label them now. So let's just say that this is my unknown, this is my A, and this is A. I've got B, B, and C as well. So I don't actually have enough information to kind of give me two pairs of sides and angles. So in this case, I think the cosine is going to be best. I also know that because I've got three sides and an angle as well. So let's use this one here. This is the formula we're going to use. So let's substitute it in. So x squared is equal to b squared, so 39 squared plus c squared, which is 22 squared. Take 2, 39, 22, cosine A, which in this case is 100 degrees. All right, I can obviously put that into my calculator straight away. I'm just going to quickly do that now. So it's 39 squared plus 22 squared. Take 2 times 39 times 22 times cosine 100. And that's going to give me a 2302.98. And I like to put the 3 dots just indicating that I'm going to be using the whole number that's in my calculator. In your calculator, you should probably have something like 2302.980273. All right, so I've got that in my calculator at the moment. I'm going to find the square root of that. So square root of 2302.98 ... So indicating I'm using the whole number of that. Square root that, my answer is going to be 47.99. If I round it to 2 decimal places, which is approximately just 48 not degrees, millimeters here, sorry. I'm making sure you use the right units as well. Always double underline your answer or highlight it just so that teacher knows which number you're looking at as well. All right, so this is a basic example of when I use the cosine rule. Just being able to know how to rearrange the equation as well, to know how to find the angle as well, is also very useful. That cosine rule and sine rule intro videos actually show you how to rearrange that. So if you're ever unsure about that, check those out. But anyway, the next video I'm gonna have is just the last video of the series. It's just gonna be going through some worded questions, and because worded questions can sometimes be a bit tough. All right, so if you're interested in those, stay tuned. Thanks, guys.